What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Growing Wealth YouTube channel. My name's Trey, and I have some pretty darn good news for you guys. So far this week, guys, as you guys can see, it is the last week for those who track the S&P 500 to actually include Tesla into their portfolio. Otherwise, they will not be officially following the S&P 500. So this week, guys, could be extremely, and more than likely will be extremely volatile. Anybody who tells you they know what's going to happen, they don't. They're totally guessing. So with all the shares, guys, that are required to be purchased in order to follow and track the S&P 500 of Tesla, and with all the traders that have been flooding into the stock, guys, because it has been an absurd amount of volume flooding into the stock, we could see two really interesting things. We could see actually Tesla's stock price run up to the $700+ price range, which, quite frankly, I would not be surprised. We could see it stay a little settled to where you have the selling and a buying actually kind of just leveling each other out. Again, wouldn't surprise me either. And if I was a betting man, you're gonna see it more likely stabilize, and then you're gonna see a nice little sell-off for a period of time. And of course, guys, we know that anytime you see red, especially with Tesla, if you're looking at a 10-year horizon, guys, it's definitely a B-U-Y. For those of you that can't spell, that spells the word buy. So either way, if you guys are looking into finding a decent entry point for Tesla, my first level of advice is always be an investor, which is a 5 to 10-year horizon. And at that point, you're looking into the future, okay? Pretending this is the future, this is the past, this is today. If you're looking in the future, and everything that Tesla has going for it, from their car manufacturing side to their technology side to their software side, which you could kind of say that's their technology side, to their energy production and storage. By production, I mean obviously using solar and all that fun stuff. And the robotaxi network. It's a pretty darn good deal, right? Now, obviously, some could argue the market's already pricing in some of the future for Tesla, which is obviously absolutely true. But I would definitely lean more towards the fact that you're going to see a lot of traders flooding a lot of money into this because the S&P 500 inclusion. Okay, so when you listen to a lot of the folks like, for example, over at JP Morgan, so these other large firms that have these analysts, number one, you can tell they still have clearly not done their homework, and it's very cringy to listen to some of these folks, is that I don't think everybody's on board yet. I think they're still fighting this stock. So I think a lot of this news is the S&P 500. And then as Tesla continues to grow, I think you're going to start to see a lot of these people get more on board. But anyways, guys, what I'm focused on doing for Tesla is that any day that I am seeing as actually red, we're going to be nibbling. And then if we get to the high $400 price range, or even low 500s, and it drops pretty good, we're going to be adding quite a bit more of Tesla. But my gut tells me I don't think we're going to get that lucky to where we're going to get that opportunity to do it again, especially after today, guys, it being Monday. It's actually doing pretty darn good. Now keep in mind, this is just Monday, but starting the week, I kind of expected the potential of a sell-off, and if we were going to see one, we'd probably see it today. But knowing my luck with me wanting it to sell off more so I can add more to our position, because keep in mind, we sold like 85 shares of our Tesla stock to be able to purchase the Model Y, which we are super excited about. We're going to be picking up next Monday, so literally 1 week from today, we're going to be picking that up. But I desperately want to climb that back up to $385. Now, it breaks my heart seeing our average price range that we actually entered into the stock go slowly, progressively up, because obviously we're adding more. But I'd like to get, honestly, back up to 385, which is where we were, and then hopefully get above 400. But we're probably, knowing my luck, not going to get that opportunity. Anytime I feel like I'm good, stock always goes down. Anytime I want more, the stock always goes up. Other news as well, guys. Looks like we got some decent news with stimulus. There are two separate kind of bills that people are being quite hopeful on. I'm not holding my breath. Whether or not there's actual stimulus checks coming with it, doesn't look like it. Who knows? But in regards to stimulus, guys, it looks like we're actually going to get some potentially going through. Again, I would suggest you not holding your breath unless you are underwater, because you can't really breathe underwater unless you have gills. But anyways, guys, that is an update for this week so far. It is Monday. So anything with Tesla, guys, I would advise you to expect it to be up high, expect it to be down low, expect to be right in the middle. Literally, that's going to be like, you're going to think, how on earth is that helpful? Guys, it's Tesla stock. It's very volatile. You never know what's going to go on. But in the grand scheme of things, guys, when you look 5 to 10 years out in the future, Tesla's going to do very well. I think it's going to be one of the largest, if not most dominant companies that there are out there. So anything you really see today will be a great deal. Just do me a favor, guys. If you want to be in the stock, be ready for the ups, but do not emotionally be changed when it goes up real high or when it goes down real low. Just keep nibbling when it's red. Keep in mind, guys, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. It's in my opinion, and honestly, why should you even listen to me, right? But if you guys could please support this channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, all that fun stuff, guys. We're going to be posting videos, updating as much as we can, guys, especially when it comes to documenting our financial journey. And hopefully we keep getting more good news. And who knows, guys, we may get another stimulus check. Lord knows that'd be pretty fun. This time around, I don't think I'd be buying another gaming PC like I did last time. Most folks will put that back, hopefully, in a nest egg to kind of prepare for a storm on another day, or end up buying more stocks. Who knows? Maybe we'll end up doing that ourselves. But anyways, guys, hope you guys have a good week. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.